What's up, y'all? My name's Saint, and welcome to the vlog. Welcome to the vlog. And today, if you haven't seen the last video when we were making those pants right there, but in black, today I'm working on a version in white, which is literally that one right there, for another client. So the last pants that you guys saw in the other video, we shipped it out to the client. So now I gotta work on the next stuff. So what we're gonna be working on right now is the white pants. I'm gonna show a little montage of me getting at it right now, and then we'll get to what we're working on today. As you guys have seen, we pretty much did practically everything. I have the back pockets completed, the flap pockets in the front, they're completed. That's the fly front right there. We also have the waistband pretty much completed, and then the added flap is completed, and everything pretty much is gonna go on this, which is the front, back pants, all that jazz. I have it all pretty much pinned up. We also have the straps right there. So yeah, we're gonna pretty much just add all these things once we start sewing all the stuff right here. They're all pinned up. I really don't want to grab them right now, so I'm being a little lazy. As you see, it's all laid out. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start off sewing everything. Like I said, everything is already pinned up pretty much. This is just the bottom of the pants pleated. We're gonna have to sew a straight line all throughout here just to hold the pleats in place, as well as to hold the strap in place too. So I'm gonna do that for the front, both front pieces, and then we're gonna just sew the pleated parts for the back as well. And then we're gonna add the pockets and then attach the pants together. Currently, I'm already sewing right now. I'm working on the pleat for the back as well. I add this back pleat to the pants pretty much to give it more structure. A lot of dress pants that you see usually have like pleats in the back. I have the pockets now pinned up right there and there, and for right here and right here. So we're just gonna sew the pockets on to the pants now, and then I'm gonna attach the flap at the end to the back of the pants, and then the fly front, and then the waistband. So I'm gonna go do that. For the pockets, I like to do a straight stitch on the whole end of the seam for the pockets themselves. Then I like to finish it off with a zigzag stitch on the edges of the pants itself. It just looks fancy. It looks better that way. That's why I do it. So I'm gonna get to doing that now. Show y'all what it looked like. So this is the pants right now. All I gotta do is just attach them together, and then I gotta sew the fly front, and then I gotta sew the waistband on top of all this, do the buttonholes and the buttons. So all I'm gonna do is just attach these, and then we'll get to the final product pretty much. So we just finished the pants. I had that pants shipped out to the client, and now what we're gonna work on is some pants for my dad. So he just wanted me to taper and hem some of his pants a little bit, so that's what I'm gonna do. He already had them pretty much at the length he wanted, so I'm just gonna do straight stitches for these other pants as well, and we'll just get to it. Okay, so I know I left y'all with the pants that I was making for my father. So I just gave those to him. And now what we're gonna work on is some more bags. Woo! So I have this one bag that I have laid out right here for you guys. See? So I was just bleaching this bag the other day. Had it finished. Honestly, kind of really like this one. I might keep this for myself. I'm not even gonna lie. But we're gonna finish sewing this up, putting it all together. And I'm gonna just end up pinning it right now. So it's pretty much a box. Simple design I made like a couple months ago. So all I'm gonna just do is pin them up for you guys, and then we're gonna start sewing. Just started hemming everything, so everything's hemmed up, and now I'm about to attach the side seam to the front, and that's the other side seam that's gonna be on the front as well. And then the bottom, which is right there, I'm gonna attach that to the bottom of here, and then after that I'm gonna sew the back and the front together. Should be pretty easy, right? Alright, so I have the side seam sewed up, the bottom sewed up, and the other side seam sewed up. So now what we're going to do is attach the back to this portion. We're going to sew each side, turn it inside out, and then this part will be complete. All right, so that's the bag complete, and I'm not sure how long the video is. I think I'm gonna end it here. The bag, I hope you guys like that, all the stuff that we made for the week. Hopefully you guys you guys stayed entertained and stuff. Make sure you like the video, subscribe. Again, I'm dropping in a video once a week of all the creations that we're doing through the week. So yeah, make sure you hit that like button. Really enjoyed it. Make sure to go to the shop. I'll show you guys some stuff from the shop, and then yeah.